think?
Hello guys, we're off on another adventure. Hello, we meet again at last. How is everybody? So what I've managed to do is I've managed to get my GoPro linked to the bike now. And yeah, the battery will go down I'm sure, but it actually shows you the battery usage. Oh no, it's telling me I'm not paired for my navigation now. Right, with that I'm going to have to pull over somewhere because this app is pathetic. So we'll figure that one out now, I think. Squeak, 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 squeak. Hey, found neutral. Bloody hell. Right, I've got these. Oh, now it works. Are you fucking... Wow, okay. Well, you've caught it here first, folks. Oh, I needed to do that. Look at that view. It's like we're on top of Halligan again. But yeah, basically I've just stopped off because the sat-nav was telling me to turn right on a fucking dual carriageway, which obviously is not correct. 14.5 degrees, which is absolutely boiling for this time of year. Yeah, this back's not too bad on the dual carriageway, to be honest. The menu's a bit clunky on this bike, you know. 105 miles left in range, and we've done 50, so about 150 mile. That's not too bad. Yay! Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, I've never been up this way before. Yeah, I didn't know this was a thing. Cool. Wow, look at that view. People. What a beautiful place. Right, now it's here apparently. Oh, it looks like it might be closed. Right, so here we are, folks. It said it was open today. I hope it is. How we doing? We're doing alright. How much shit is it flung up actually, this mudguard? It's not too bad actually. Okay, so this monument is open. How do we get in? Oh, nice. Thought I was going to have to leap over that then. Hey, you alright? It's a very important castle though, because this is one of the pinnacle places where the English and Welsh fought in order to get control. And unfortunately, the Welsh didn't do so well in that one. But this castle is a very, very rare kind of castle. Essentially what makes it special is that it's actually been built in a valley. And usually with a castle you build it on top of a higher structure because it's harder to invade for one, and it's also very beneficial tactically because you can see everything around you. If you do it on top of a big mound, you can see people from all around you. Whereas this was built in the valley itself. It's not something that was done very, very often at all, to be honest. Essentially built in the 1200s by Llywelyn. Well, he didn't build it, but his men did. By Llywelyn the Great. This was a pinnacle castle in the fight against the English. Like I said though, the history is a bit vague on this particular castle. Very much worth a look. Let's have a gander. Danger. Alright, won't fall in. Wow, here we are, look at this. Holy shit. I mean, already just the history. Think of how many people have been here, what kind of path you're retracing. Who else has stepped on the fucking floor that I've stepped on? Let's have a look. Wow, check that. This is a proper castle, this, isn't it, eh? This is a proper castle. Wow. Lordy. Look at that. That is cool. Holy shit. So you can see it's been built in the valley itself, coming down here. That's fucking cool. I wish I had my camera still, you know, my proper camera, not just a shitty phone. You know, there's rubble here. It's like demolition rubble, it looks like, from the castle itself. I mean, big ass fucking brick there. Be cracking to have a dig. Let's have a go. You alright?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, still alive somehow. Hiya, you alright? Thank you kindly. Wow, look at that. Holy shit. Oh, yeah, this is fucking slippy. It's clay as well. Gotta be careful. Check that out. Cool. Look at that. Look at how they built it though. I'm surprised it's still up. Look at this. I would try and get up that way, but it looks fucking treacherous, to be honest. Look at this. I mean, there's so much on the floor, look. You know what? Bit of a keepsake, there you go. Piece of the castle. Cool, look at that. I mean, half of it's gone here, look. Where the foundations were, maybe that was... I don't know. Check that out. It looks like the bedrock, that. It looks like the actual cliff itself. That's just beautiful. Look at that down there. That is unreal. Look how pretty that is all the way down. That is stunning. Knock knock. Wow. Look at this. The old turrets come down there. Think of the people that lived there and what they got up to every day. No PS5s and motorbikes. Imagine that. We had horses, I suppose. It looks like a lot of it's been rebuilt. Look at that. I mean, what was this? God damn. Wow. Looks like it's made out of sandstone. You know, I bet the water down the river is beautiful. Oh, so cool. Look at the buttresses for the doors and the windows. You see where the floor was? The floor was run across there like that. But I don't know what that was for. Toilet maybe? Yeah, it might have been a little latrine actually. You alright? You alright? Oh. Cool. It's a sketch, isn't it? Look at that. Holy fuck, look at that. Hope you're not scared of heights, guys, because fuck me. Check that out. That's fucking cool. Holy shit. On top of the world here. Please don't drop it. Oh, Christ. And we're off. Hello. Gonna have a look at this over here. Yeah, definitely. It's weird. Like some of it's made of sandstone, some of it's made of this weird brick here. It doesn't look like sandstone. It looks more like flint. Maybe it was built on. I don't know. Probably was built on, to be honest. Wow, check that out. I wonder what that was for. Proper old ass gate. shit. It's been backfilled with something. Maybe it's a food cellar, I don't know. Let's have a gander. It'd be cool if you could get up there, but unfortunately you can't. There's a cornerstone for something. There's a cornerstone. That might have been from up there after it's fallen. I mean, there's quite a few actually. I think that might be bedrock actually, this stuff. I'm not too sure. Right. I think that's me done now, folks. Cool, right. Let's get back. Let's get back and let's get home. I've got stuff to do, unfortunately. I could stay here all day, but... bloody boots. Alright. Alright, mate. I mean, look at this. I mean, look at all this old rubble here, where it's just come down. This has been here for hundreds of years, you can tell. Here's a plaque. Oh, there you go. Gives you a good view of what it would have been like back in the day. That's really cool. If you want to read that, pause it there. Nice. Right, let's go. Let's go home. Hope you've enjoyed this, folks. It's been cracking to get out and see a castle. Look at how that bit of bedrock's just come loose, look. It's just cracked and just fallen down, look. I wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of that when that falls, because that undoubtedly will. Wonder what's in there. Some form of buried treasure. Right, oh great, I've got to go up this shite, have I? I'm kind of contemplating going back round the way I came, to be honest. I don't want to be stepping in the moat. The flies everywhere. There's no easy way to tackle this, really, is there? Fucking boots for a reason, eh? I should really have come up the steps. Wasn't as bad as I thought, actually. Right, cobbled stones, look. When the horses come in, the old roadway. Oh, right. Well, that's been that. Hope you've enjoyed this. Just taking the last view before I go. Oh, look at that. Right, let's go. Right, folks. I would do the full walk, but I've got things to do. I've got to be home, so it's New Year's Eve. That was good, that. Nice to actually get in the castle and have a wander around at least. Well, thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure. And until the next time, sort 'em out.